Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. If you are new here, I am a Poshmark seller. I've been selling on the app for 5 years. I was a closet consultant last year at FAST, so I pretty much know the app inside and out. I love the app. I think it's a great platform to sell on. Today I'm going to help you with 3 tips that are going to help you in selling items faster on Poshmark. And these are actually 3 things that I commonly see as complaints, but that are actually going to help your business. They're actually good things. So I'm gonna dive right into these tips. Before I do, I got a ton of questions about my sunglasses and my earrings on some of my last videos and on Instagram. So I could not find the exact ones online, but I linked some similar ones down below for you guys. So if you have any questions about them, just leave them in the comments. Okay, so for the first tip. The first tip I have for you is to source better items. And I have talked about this in previous videos where I used to go into a thrift store and I would buy items just because they were $1. Like, not really looking at the brands, not really looking at what they were. I was just buying them because they were $1, and I knew that literally anything I made on them was profit. So one day I walked into the thrift store and they had stopped doing this dollar sale. And at first I was really angry. Like, I was really angry that they, had stopped putting things on sale. And the thrift store stopping that dollar sale was probably the best thing that ever happened for my business. This forced me to really slow down and really look at what I was buying and really go through the rest of the thrift store, because I was literally like not even looking at the rest of the thrift store, just the dollar stuff. So once I started doing that, I started finding items that I could sell for literally 3 times the price and more. So you really need to look at what you are sourcing and the quality of the items that you are sourcing. And you really need to ask yourself, is this something that people want? If I got online and I was scrolling through Poshmark, is this something that people would want to buy? So, I see a lot of people, they're just listing everything in their closet and they're not really putting a lot of thought into what they're buying. Like, you need to be buying unique things. You need to be buying the items that are gonna give you the higher profit margins or that will sell consistently. I go through a lot of that in my sourcing guide and my Goodwill Outlet guide, which are included in the ebook bundle that I have linked below in the description box. The sourcing guide is to help you, and this is why I wrote it, was to help you prioritize different items that are going to give you the highest profits. And then the Goodwill Outlet guide are more for what I call filler items that are not the highest profits, but that will sell consistently. So I have those 2 guides as well as a jeans guide. Jeans are a great item to sell. Those are the top 10 brands that I pick up. It also includes an Instagram guide, and then when I get my new sourcing guide done, anybody who buys that bundle will automatically receive that. And then that also comes with a free closet review, free access to my mentorship group on Facebook, and free access to my private share group. So all of that is linked below, and all of that is going to help you in your sourcing. And you need to be sourcing quality items. You need to be sourcing things that people want to buy. If you're not sourcing things that people want to buy, it doesn't matter if you have 1,000 listings in your closet. If you have things that people don't want to buy, you're not gonna make any sales. Somebody asked me that the other day, if there was some magic number of listings that you had to have in your closet to make sales. And the answer to that is no, absolutely not. You just need to have the right items in your closet. You don't have to have 1,000 items. You just need to have the right ones, and that will help you to make your sales. The second tip I have for you is another complaint that I see all the time, and that is you need to be offering shipping discounts. Guys, shipping discounts are not a bad thing, and I'm sure I've talked about this before, but I have people comment all the time that they don't think it's fair that if they send out an offer to likers that they have to give a shipping discount. And that is what is going to help you to make the sale. I've been selling on the app since 2014. There was a time, guys, where the only shipping discounts we ever got were during closet clear out. And that was literally once every few months on like a holiday weekend. So there was no shipping discount. There was no way to entice a customer to buy something by giving them some sort of discount. This is a great thing, guys. This is not a bad thing. Also, you don't have to do free shipping when you send out an offer to likers. You can give a discount of $1.80, so you should not be worrying over losing $1.80. If you are worried about losing the discount that you have to give on offer to likers, then you are not pricing your items high enough. Like, that's less than $2, guys. Do not lose sales because you are being greedy over $2. Like, you're gonna lose a sale over, you know, less than $2. And then if you have a $35 item but you don't want to give a shipping discount, you just lost that sale over $2. It's not helping you, it's not helping your business. So you have to get out of this mindset that the shipping discount is a bad thing, because it is not. It is a highly useful tool that is going to help you to make sales. Probably 95% of my sales come from offer to likers. I send out offers to everybody and I just keep sending them out. If nobody takes the offer, I don't let that discourage me. I just keep sending offers. Like, you have to give the shipping discount. That's part of what is gonna make the customer buy the item. And then that also, I have a guide that's included in the bundle about pricing and closet clear out and offer to likers. And it goes through all the strategies of how you need to price your items to be able to offer these kinds of discounts. Again, that's all linked down below and explained down below. So the third tip is that you need to be sharing. You need to be sharing your own items and you need to be sharing other people's items. I also recommend sharing during parties. If you have items that fit the party theme, you need to share during that party. If you have the time, you need to be sharing other people's listings as well during the parties, especially the last party at night. If you cannot do any other party, make sure you're doing the last party at night. This is very important. This is when you can go through, you can share the host picks. You can get a host pick, and people say that host picks aren't important, and there's like this host pick curse where if an item gets picked as a host pick, it's not gonna sell. And don't go into it with the mindset that you want your host pick to sell. Mainly the host pick is for promotion. You want the promotion for your closet that's gonna bring people to your closet. So don't worry about if you get a host pick or if the host pick sells. You want to get host picks. You want promotion for your closet. It's a good thing. And maybe the host pick curse is semi-true, but you still want to get them so that you can get that promotion for your closet, because that is putting your listing in front of over 1 million other listings on that host pick tab. So you still want to try and get the host picks. If you have anything that you feel like fits the party theme, move it to the top of your closet. And then I try to go through the parties and share like 250 items of other people's during the final party of the night. And then those people will come and share your items. And you know, I've gotten a lot of sales after the party is actually over. So don't worry if you're not making sales during the party. People can still go into the parties and shop those parties later on. So you need to be sharing your own closet and you need to be sharing other people's listings. Like Poshmark was very much based on community. They talk about this a lot at Posh Fest, about how it's based on community, and they want you in the app. They want you to be sharing on the app, and they are going to reward people. The more you are in the app, the more you will be rewarded in the algorithm with sales and things like that. So make sure, you know, that you're trying to establish a routine for yourself so that you can be sharing and that you're taking time to share. That's what my share group is for. That's included with the bundle. It's to help people kind of, you know, be accountable and establish a routine. And it's a community where you can share each other's listings and help each other. And people are very committed. They're very supportive. And you need to create this routine for yourself. You have to be consistent with Poshmark in order to see results from it. So I hope these 3 tips will help you. If you have questions, please leave them down below in the comments for me. Check out the description box, tons of information in there, and I will see you guys in the next video.